Take a look at this 2008 Dodge Ram 1500. Carfax has certified this Ram 1500 as having one owner. This Ram 1500 has just under 71,500 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 13 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 17 on the highway. This Ram 1500 boasts a 4.7-liter engine, and has a 5-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the 24G SLT Customer Preferred Order Selection Package, 5-speed automatic transmission, 3.92 axle ratio, 4.7L gas engine, and the federal emissions not available in PA, MA, ME, NI, VT, CT, RI or PA. Call 888-904-1295 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.